Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the dollar yen, I still, like I've been saying, I think this is either going to be an ABC crescent to this last 5 waves up, end up making 3 waves down and then turning back up like that. Or if this really is a wave 5, then this is actually going to go down and make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, taking out the low of wave 4. Like I've been saying, it's exactly the same pattern until you get to about this point right here. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this first burst down is an A or a 1. This is either a B or a 2. And I think we're either going to go down and make a C, which would look like that, and then turn back up. Or like I was explaining on the monthly, it could go down and make a 3, and then a 4, and a 5. Like I've been saying, it's exactly the same trading strategy, exactly the same plan until you get to about this point right here. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely looks like we had the end of a wave B already. We got a nice break of structure. We got a change of direction on the daily time frame. Most likely it is the end of a wave B, and if it is the end of a wave B, then it will continue to make lower lows, lower highs for either that wave C or that wave 3 that I was explaining on the higher time frames. So because of this, I am definitely looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm looking for shorts for SOAR. I would want to see a nice proper 3 way pullback and a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this move up is very impulsive, which means it's probably only a wave A of a correction. This is probably a wave B, and probably eventually we will go back up for a C. If we see 3 waves up, impulsive engulfing to the downside with a break, then that would be my next shorting opportunity, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend. So I'm definitely looking for shorts, but I'm only looking to go short at the end of 3 way pullbacks. I want to see nice, recognizable ABC corrections. I want to see Fibonacci bounces, nice engulfing impulsive moves to the downside at Fibonacci levels in order to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.